Welcome to my channel, Pixel Kids Play and Learn. Welcome to Fun Quiz Time with Kids. Are you ready to test your knowledge and have some fun? We'll ask you some fun questions and you have to guess the answers. Ready? Let's go. First question, what sound does a cow make? Is it A, meow, B, oink, or C, moo? If you guessed C, moo, you're correct. Great job. Next question, which shape has 4 equal sides? Is it A, circle, B, triangle, or C, square? The correct answer is C, square. Well done. What color do you get when you mix blue and yellow? Is it A, green, B, purple, or C, orange? If you said A, green, you're right. Awesome. How many legs does a spider have? Is it A6, B8, or C10? The answer is B8. Great job, everyone. Which fruit is yellow and long? Is it A, apple, B, banana, or C, cherry? If you guessed B, banana, you got it. What do we use to smell? Is it A, eyes, B, nose, or C, ears? The answer is B, nose. Fantastic guessing. What day comes after Monday? Is it A, Sunday, B, Wednesday, or C, Tuesday? The correct answer is C, Tuesday. Well done, everyone. Next question is, what color is the sky on a sunny day? Is it A, green, B, blue, or C, red? If you guessed B, blue, you're correct. Great job. What sound does a dog make? Is it A, meow, B, moo, or C, woof? If you said C, woof, you're right. Awesome. Next question is, what is the shape of a ball? Is it A, square, B, triangle, or C, round? The answer is C, round. Great job, everyone. Next question, what is the opposite of up? Is it A, down, B, left, or C, right? The answer is A, down. Fantastic guessing. How many wheels does a bicycle have? Is it A, 1, B, 2, or C, 3? The correct answer is B, 2. Well done, everyone. What do you use to brush your teeth? Is it A, spoon, B, comb, or C, toothbrush? The answer is C, toothbrush. Great job. Next question is, which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Is it A, elephant, B, lion, C, zebra? The answer is B, lion. Fantastic guessing. Our last and final question for the day is, what is the name of the planet we live on? Is it A, Mars, B, Jupiter, or C, Earth? The correct answer is C, Earth. Awesome. Great job, kids. You all did an amazing job with the quiz. Thanks for playing with us. Don't forget to come back for more fun and games. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please press like button, share with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel.